How to change category on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram category. And also, before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So guys, here you can see my Instagram. So my category is writer here. So if you want to change for something, then what you have to do, first of all, make sure that your Instagram is updated from Google Play Store, and then what you have to do, click on edit profile option. So after clicking to this edit profile option, you will find an option category here on the below. So after clicking here, you can see here you will find lots of options to change. So guys, let me just click to gamer and then display category level. So just enable this and then click on right option, and again you have to click on right option, and you can see here my category has been changed. So guys, if this solution doesn't work, then what you have to do, you have to click on this top screen, on the top right of your screen, three days, and then click on settings and click on account. And then after this, you can see here switch to personal account option. So just click on switch to personal account and then switch back. Okay, so now guys, let us go back, and you can see here it is still gamer. So what you have to do, you have to do the same again and click on account, and then you can again switch to personal account and click on next, and then you can see here you can select your category from here also, and just click on done. And then meanwhile, your category will be changed. You can see here public figure. So guys, I hope you like this video, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.